Want to learn how to do this effect? Then this is the tutorial for you. Hey friends, my name is Mary Lou Mandel, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about masking and creating a split screen. We're going to use Wondershare Filmora Go to help you create videos anywhere on the go. Let's get into it. For this effect, you're going to need 2 clips. I like to shoot them both at the same time as quickly as possible to avoid any changes in the light or the scene. I also don't like to stop the recording so I don't accidentally touch the camera and move the tripod or anything like that. I also suggest making the character changes really simple, something that you can do off camera really fast and then get back into it. I just use a jacket and sunglasses. Super easy. Now we've got our 2 clips. So clip number 1 is outfit number 1. And then you got clip number 2 in outfit number 2. Outfit number 1 is going to go underneath the clip with outfit number 2. But what we're doing with masking is cutting the top scene in a shape. And for this one, we're just going to do a line down the middle. And then you got clip number 2 on top of clip number 1, and then they will seamlessly go together. It's going to be great. Let's bring our footage into Filmora Go. You're going to trim down the first clip to where you need it to be. Then you will click on Picture in Picture, or PIP, and add the second clip. This is going to add a clip on top of the other clip. You're going to resize that clip so it is the same size as the one on the bottom, and then you will go to Mask. You're going to add a mask. You're going to pick the one that is a line. But you're going to see that it goes across horizontally, but we want it to go vertically on top of the tree. So we're going to rotate it. Now that we have the mask, before we go any further, let's check our work. You can see that in some parts we need to make some adjustments to make the transition seamless. We'll do this by adding some freeze frames to help us out. You're going to click Freeze, which is going to add a freeze frame, and then you're going to trim it to the amount of extra time that you need. You are going to have to add the mask again, but it's super easy. You're just going to go to Mask, pick the line, and then again, line it up with the tree. Now, if you take the extra time to get this right, it is going to make your video so much more impressive. Now, let's see the final product. There's a lot that you can do by splitting a screen using a mask, so give it a try, get creative, and show us what you come up with. I hope you found that helpful, and let us know in the comments what you would like to learn in Filmora Go. See you next time.